I'm Carmela D'Amore and I'm from Sorrento Trattoria. My origins are I'm a daughter of Sicilian migrants who came in the 1950s. I'm an ambassador to Sicilian food. I'm an author, a cultural storyteller and a restaurateur and a travel guide as well. Sorrento Trattoria came out of need of somewhere to eat properly, to have a meal where you can sit down and feel that love, that there's food like Nonna's food, like a food that is from home. I wanted a community and a place where my guests can come and know who I am, know about my family and feel a sense of home in the village of Sorrento. When people come into the restaurant, they can feel a Sicilian culture. There's just a culture all around in the whole dining room. It's not jam-packed with Sicily, but it's got a culture. It's like if I'd not opened up that culture, that cultural side of myself and let that come out, you would never see that and you would never benefit out of that because it's different. It's something that's inviting. It allows you to explore your own individuality, your own culture. My impart to someone wanting to open up their own business, you have to find a purpose. And in your purpose, that is like your goal planner. Your business is a reflection of who you are. And the more you find yourself inside, the bigger your business becomes. My vision is networking between the two countries to assist people into building their own life and creating their own business. If I can help them in Sicily and also bring that joy of vive, that dolce vita into Australia, because we very much need that still. As I learn from Sicily, I bring all the recipes into my restaurant.